Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, sat sri akal, salam alaikum, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. I'm very confident all of you guys out there thriving in euphoria, and I'm feeling wonderful after a long night. Yes, I have been hit by a lot of collective energies, and I've cried a lot since yesterday, and I've released a lot of heaviness. Probably it was ancestry and my loved ones, and even absorbing from collective around who are and not are in my consciousness. Being an empath and being so vulnerable and open to the universal energies, sometimes you get hit by collective energies, and it takes a toll on your body, your mind, your soul, your heart. And it's important to isolate, to heal, and to pray, and to fast, and send positive vibrations to your body and everybody else, right? It heals, it brings a lot of healing. So I feel better now, and I want to say everybody drink lots of water, hydrate yourself, and eat lots of fruits, and as much as possible make an effort to fast for half the day. It would be really, really nice. Oh, I feel better. And let's start with the chanting. Meditation had always given me that confidence, that assurance, that certainty in my life that you are stable, you are secure, you are protected, you are taken care of. You are never alone, and you're. Then I used to ask these questions in my meditation to universe, to source, that if I'm never alone, then why am I not getting that help? Why am I doing everything myself? Why do I feel exhausted? Then the perspective had to change. I understood in few days when I was more calmer, more meditative state, more relaxed, I understood, my answers came to me. You are not asking for help, you are not asking for support, you are not asking for assistance. Ask the people whom you feel resonated with, whom you can talk to. You want food, share with your friends, and whatever, and you want to feel comfortable and healthy, you're feeling tired, then do fasting, do drink warm water, eat lot of salads. So the answers started coming to me. I could used to hear my intuition. The guidance was coming that I'm never alone. You want emotional nurturing, then why don't you talk to people in your hostel? Why you are so closed off? Why do you shut yourself off? Go and talk. Everybody is waiting to welcome you, and So my heart was closed. I understood my heart chakra was blocked to ask, to speak, to express, to be creative, to be transparent, to be vulnerable. And then I began to slowly, I did meditation on opening my heart chakra. I will share that link here. And I use that sound bathing. Sound is the energy. Sound healing is very, very significant. I've spoken about it before also. So I used to listen to these sound bathing tunes, which is energy infused sound, it is the frequency of your heart chakra. It heals and it opens that chakra, those energies in your heart space. So I could see when I was doing that with those tunes, I used to sit quietly and meditate, and then I could see in a week's time, I was slowly, my heart chakra was opening. I could mingle with people, and I could talk to my, father and ask for financial support. I could speak to my friends and express that this is the path I've taken. So please bear with me if I am isolating or being aloof. It's not that I'm offending anyone. So I could see those transition in me, and then where I had to put healthy boundaries and shut those doors, I did, because it was important for my healing, my journey, my breaking free from those karmic cycles. So we see so much in our life, and there's so many changes happening with us every day, inside out, internal and external environment. We feel that we are exhausted, we are doing everything alone, nobody can understand our journey, and unless and until we are matured, we have healed ourselves, we are aware, we express, we share. Otherwise, we keep it all up to ourselves and feel I'm alone, and I'm alone only. Well, at least I am bearing the pain. I can't tell anybody, they will laugh at me, they will not understand me, or it's your ego. It tricks you because your heart chakra is blocked, your third eye is blocked, you are feeling exhausted, ill, and now I'm speaking that I'm feeling this way, or I felt this way, I went through this. It gives me so much of willpower, so much of strength, so much of confidence that I'm free. Nothing is controlling me, no ego, no nothing, nobody has power over me, because I have nothing to lose, I have nothing to hide. I'm free spirit. When you connect with your chakras, when you open your heart, you see how free you feel. When you speak how you feel, your authentic self, when you express your creative side, your natural self, it is so lightening, right? And you can't even imagine, there is so much people who are waiting out there to listen to you, to feel inspired by you. Even your painful journey inspires them, because they can relate that, okay, I'm not alone, right? That's how the support groups are established, to understand that you're not alone. In physical realm, people, even your neighbor, when they say good morning in the morning, they are collaborating with you in your journey of evolution. You feel they don't understand where you are, they're just saying hi, it's just a coincidence, it's just because they're neighbor. No, it's in the physical realm. But if you think beyond your physical consciousness, physical form, you understand they are your neighbor for a reason. You have a soul contract, and if they're smiling at you and giving you a pleasant day wish, it means they are collaborating with you in your journey of healing, of evolution. Then where are you alone? What are we complaining about?